What's up, y'all? So, I just got this car from my dad. It's a 05 S500, and I'm changing the battery out because the battery went dead, and we put a temporary battery in it. That's the battery right there that I'm changing out. Yeah, let's do it. I already disconnected the 10 millimeters that go to it. A little puny battery. Make sure it's clean down there. All right. We got this big behemoth H8 Max. It's heavy too. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Okay. Did that so I can loop the power. Now I just gotta get it straight. Maybe move this motor out of the way. Lay it down. Get that cushion. Yeah, that's bad. Real bad. Oh yeah, that's bad. Y'all think this is bad? Like, I gotta replace it type bad? I don't even know what it does. But it looks rusty, I don't know. Like it was submerged in water. I think there was a puddle of water there when I first got the car. So you guys just let me know, comment below if I should change this or something I should be worried about. I can't even get it in the thing right, I gotta fix that. Let's see, I gotta pull this battery back out. If I tuck that. Okay, so if I tuck that, pull this back up again. Think. Hold on. I think I need to get a 13 for that. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. 13. Over half. Half fits. Trusty gun. There. All right, let's drop it back in. back in. Right there. Put her back in. Nice and tight. This thing is all messed up and nasty, but put her back in there just so it doesn't bounce around. Like I said, y'all let me know what this pump does. I would appreciate it. I'll just look it up. Here, like that. Come on, get yourself out. Ground is blocked off. It's real easy to put her in. Shit. Get that. Why you ain't tell me y'all couldn't see nothing? Positive on. Let's do negative. Sparkies. Give her a nice grab. She's in there. Okay. Battery replacement done. To go. It's wild. I'm hearing clicking, that's why I'm so sorry. I'm hearing clicking. Okay, so that's done. 1121, fresh battery in there. So I clean out the car a little bit. But step one of a very long journey. How that goes on, I don't know. Okay. like I said, y'all let me know what this pump does. I mean, I'll Google it, but also you guys let me know. I appreciate it. I'm trying to build this car back up. I know the car needs the suspension work done. Hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, I know the car needs suspension. This was also in the trunk, so I don't know if it's bad. I don't know if this is if the pump is bad. I looked at just the air pump. Controls the soft close feature, locks. I want to say control the horn too. I think the trunk and all that stuff. I don't know if I gotta replace the trunk or just gotta get the missing pieces for the trunk, because the trunk got messed up and they did a swap on the trunk lid. So when they did the swap on the trunk lid, they put an S500 trunk lid on here, and of course the key doesn't match up. They didn't change the key, the key, and all these things are just loose. I don't know what goes there, here, these, and the shocks on both sides. I gotta hold it up like that. So I gotta do the trunk lid. Of course, gotta do brakes, rotors, all the good stuff. Get the interior cleaned out. Mainly just the horn for safety issues and the door locks. So, but until next time, thanks.